Let me ask you something. What if you could take a single image and turn it into a cinematic moving scene with natural motion, controlled camera movement, and consistent detail, all inside one platform? That's exactly what I'm testing today. I'm inside TopMediai, and we're going to properly test Seedance 2.0, their latest high-fidelity video generation model, step by step. At the top of the dashboard, you can see the banner. Get 20% bonus credits. Use Seedance 2.0 now. So clearly this is the featured model right now. Let's jump in. Image to video. From the homepage, we have image to video, text to video, image to image, AI music generator, and more. Since motion quality matters most, I'll start with image to video. I click it, and now we're inside the creation panel. On the left, under model, Seedance 2.0 is selected. It's labeled audio and hot, which means this is their newest high-fidelity model. If I open the model list, you'll see it supports roughly 4 to 15 seconds of video length, and generation starts at about 64 credits depending on settings. So let's build something. Uploading frames. Under Upload Images, we have first frame and tail frame. The first frame is your starting image. The tail frame is optional, but it helps control motion. Instead of letting the AI guess how the scene evolves, you guide it toward a defined ending. For this test, I upload a first frame. If I wanted tighter motion direction, I'd add a tail frame as well. Now comes the important part, writing the prompt. Inside Describe Video Scene, this is where you control the output. Instead of writing something vague, I'm specific. Natural head movement, subtle blinking, soft cinematic lighting, slow camera push-in, maintain facial detail, and avoid distortion in hands or mouth. The clearer the instruction, the cleaner the result. If needed, there's also an AI inspiration button that can generate structured prompt ideas. Below that, we have Generate Quality. It's currently set to 720p. Some plans unlock 1080p. I'll explain that shortly. For duration, I usually start with 4 seconds. It renders faster, uses fewer credits, and allows quick iteration. Once the motion looks right, you can increase the length. Then we choose aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for shorts or reels, 1:1 for square formats. At the bottom, the Generate button shows 64 credits for this setup, so this configuration costs about 64 credits. Once everything looks good, I click Generate, and Seedance 2.0 processes the video. If I switch from creation to inspiration at the top, I can browse examples like news broadcast, New Year celebration, and more. This is useful for studying how the model handles different motion styles before building your own scenes. Now let's go one step further. Text to video. Instead of starting from an image, what if we build everything from text? I go to text to video and select Seedance 2.0 again. The layout is similar, but now everything starts with a prompt. Here I define the environment clearly. Cinematic urban street at night. Light rain, reflections on wet pavement, slow tracking shot, subtle depth of field, natural motion. The more precise the direction, the more cinematic the result. If you want strict character consistency, image to video gives stronger control. If you want full creative freedom, text to video is ideal. Now let's talk numbers. The starter plan is $3.99 per week, discounted from $7.99. It includes 1,500 credits per week, up to 125 AI videos, 720p resolution, unlimited downloads, plus music and additional tools. The creator plan is $7.99 per month, discounted from $17.99. It includes 3,750 credits per month, up to 312 AI videos, and unlocks 1080p resolution. The Pro plan is $49.99 per year, discounted from $99.99. It includes 15,000 credits per year, up to 600 AI videos, also at 1080p. The lifetime plan is $129.99 one time, discounted from $433.99. It includes 2,500 credits per month and unlimited AI video generation, image generation, music generation, text-to-speech, and voice cloning. Credits are issued monthly, so if you're testing occasionally, Starter works. If you need 1080p regularly, Creator makes sense. If you generate all year, Pro offers strong value. If you want long-term unlimited access, Lifetime is the most comprehensive option. If you want to try it yourself, you can check the link in the description and explore the model with your own scenes and prompts. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would create with Seedance 2.0. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.